Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I am Gunjan Handa and let's take a look at the headlines. India may issue crypto-related FAQs by July 1st. Cryptocurrencies fall ahead of key events, Bitcoin below $30,000. US crypto bill leaked on social media targets DeFi and DAOs. Bitcoin-Thematic ETF lists on Italian stock exchange Borsa Italiana. Crypto lending firm BlockFi valuation plummets in largest funding round. English Premier League files for NFT and Metaverse trademarks. Indonesian crypto platform Pintu raises $113 million. StockX defends authentication process amid Nike NFT suit. Let's take a look at the stories in detail. India will likely issue a set of clarifications, cryptocurrency taxation by July 1st, to coincide with the rollout of tax deducted at source or TDS for digital assets, reports said. The release of the frequently asked questions will help bring out more clarity on the incidence and applicability of crypto taxes for investors and traders. India will be levying a fresh 1% TDS on all crypto transactions starting July 1st. A few reports, however, refer to the crypto clarifications or FAQs by linking it to the much-anticipated crypto consultation paper hinted by Economic Affairs Secretary Ajay Seth. Cryptocurrency slipped into the red on Tuesday on profit-taking as investors turned cautious ahead of US inflation data following Reserve Bank of Australia's surprise rate move earlier in the day. Traders were spooked by the Australian Central Bank's 50 basis points rate hike, indicating the aggressive stance likely to be adopted by other central banks. The European Central Bank will announce its rate decision on Thursday. Investors expect the US Consumer Price Index to hold steady with signs of marginal easing in price pressures, forcing the Federal Reserve to stay on track for 50 BPS rate hike later this month. The higher inflation reading could bring back talks of 75 basis points Fed hike back on the table. Analytical data showed that over 72,000 traders with a total outstanding positions of $210 million were liquidated by crypto exchanges in past 24 hours. Almost all the liquidated positions were longs. CryptoWire's benchmark IC15 index was recently trading around 38,800, down nearly 6%. All the 15 coins in the index fell, with the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization trading at about $29,600, down nearly 6% in 24 hours. A leaked copy of United States draft bill concerning cryptocurrencies started doing the rounds on Twitter earlier on Tuesday. It is the bill that Senators Cynthia Lummis and Kristen Gillibrand have been working on. The 600-page document with embargoed watermark on it highlights some of the key areas of concern for regulators, including DeFi, stablecoin, decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs, and crypto exchanges. Among the legal changes in the document are the fact that entities registered outside the US will be considered personally taxable for taxpayers. It also suggests that a lot of assets would be classified as commodities, clearing up some much-needed confusion about crypto and whether they are securities. The leaked draft bill proposes clear policies to bring the nascent crypto market under the purview of the law. Many experts have pointed out that even though the listed policies seem to encourage strict oversight, it is only a draft. DogeCoin co-founder Billy Markus also commented on the leaked bill and suggested that the new policies would be tough on DeFi, DAOs, and anonymous projects. On Tuesday morning, a Bitcoin-thematic exchange-traded fund or ETF by Millennium Capital was listed on the Italian stock exchange Borsa Italiana. An exchange-traded fund or ETF is a basket of securities that you can buy or sell through a brokerage firm on stock exchange. The Millennium Bitcoin Equities Universe is an equity ETF around stocks in the crypto ecosystem. The motive of the ETF is to integrate cryptocurrency and traditional investments. Crypto lender BlockFi saw its valuation more than halve in its latest round of funding in a sign of tough times for crypto-related companies. The New Jersey-based firm was set to raise funds at a valuation of $1 billion compared to the $3 billion in March last year, when it raised $350 million. The lender, which was reportedly making plans to go public in February, agreed to pay $100 million in penalties to the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC and several state regulators as a part of settlement in an investigation into whether its high-yield lending product was a securities offering. The English Premier League or EPL, one of the most watched sports leagues in the world, has ventured into the Metaverse with 2 filings before the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The trademark filings cover cryptocurrencies, NFT multimedia, and creation and sale of digital assets and virtual clothing. They also include the use of Premier League trademarks in virtual, augmented, and mixed reality software. The Premier League is gradually becoming a hotspot for blockchain industry. Champions Manchester City is creating a virtual land in Roblox. Top clubs such as Chelsea and Manchester United have entered into a sponsorship with Valuation and Tezos respectively. Arsenal recently partnered with Unagi to launch an NFT play-to-earn game. Indonesian cryptocurrency trading platform Pintu has raised $113 million in a Series B funding round. Investors in the round include Intudo Ventures, Lightspeed, North Star Group and Pentera Capital. The startup will use the capital to launch new features and products as it looks to continue its growth. The firm also plans to invest in the Pintu academic educational program to help investors improve their knowledge about crypto to carry out healthy and sustainable trading and investment practices. Since its launch in April 2020, Pintu claims their app has been downloaded by more than 4 million users in Indonesia. The firm has also doubled its staff headcount since 2021 with over 200 employees. Nike sued StockX, a popular online sneaker reseller, this February for launching a NFT series based on Nike's shoes. It accused StockX last month of knowingly selling counterfeits, a thing that shouldn't be possible since StockX claims it authenticates the shoes sold on its site. Now, StockX is hitting back in a court filing. The sneaker reseller says that Nike's complaint is nothing more than a failed attempt to bolster its still meritless claims. When Nike sued, it claimed that NFTs infringed on its trademark would be confusing to customers. Then, in an amended complaint, Nike said it bought 4 pairs of counterfeit shoes by December to February. Essentially, Nike is questioning how StockX can use NFTs to authenticate sneakers when it cannot even reliably tell if a sneaker is real or fake. That's it for today. I am Gunjan Handa signing off. Keep watching Crypto TV, world's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel.